Hey everyone, craving something warm and delicious? Today we're making hot chocolate in just 2 minutes. Perfect for chilly evenings or a quick pick-me-up. Let's gather our simple ingredients. First, pour milk into a microwave-safe mug. Add cocoa powder and sugar, then stir until mostly dissolved. Don't worry about a few lumps, they'll melt away. Now, pop it in the microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Keep an eye on it. We want it hot, not boiling over. Carefully remove the mug and stir in chocolate chips if you have them. The heat will melt them, making it even smoother. Give it a final stir, and there you have it. A rich, comforting hot chocolate in under 2 minutes. Top it with whipped cream or marshmallows if you like. Enjoy your cozy moment. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick recipes.